Hi everyone. In this video you will learn how to create left triangle using CSS. By the end of the video, you will have this sort of output. The code is going to be very simple and easy to understand. So let's get started. I'm using VS Code as my code editor. Let's get an index file here. Index.html. Let's have a basic HTML structure here. Add a link to the style sheet. It will be style.css. Here we need a div element. Give it a class left triangle. Save it. Now create a style sheet here. Style.css. Select body element. Background color will be dark slate gray. Select left triangle class. Margin will be 100 pixel on auto. Width will be 0. Height will be 0. Border top will be 100 pixel. Solid transparent. Just copy and paste it. It will be border bottom. Border right will be 200 pixels. Solid line. Now that's all what you need to create a left triangle using CSS. The only thing that you need to make sure that your right should be always double of top and bottom. In case your top and bottom is 50 pixels, make sure right is 100 pixels. Now let's open this file in the browser. And that's the output. So I hope you understood how to achieve this. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.